God, girl, you back in 2021. We said what? We bringing all the glow, huh? Baby, I ain't wore makeup in a while, and I am excited. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be recording a classy red lip look. So, if you would like to see how I'm going to treat their look, I'm actually going to be using Matte Liquid Lip Collection. So, if you would like to see how I'm going to treat their look, then please continue to watch. Back, baby, back. Oh my God, girl, you back in 2021. We said what? We bringing all the glow, huh? You said what? You said what? Oh. You balls my music. Baby, we said in 2021 we glow. I can't hear you. You said what? Girl, I thought somebody had said something about the glow, huh? Baby, I ain't wore makeup in a while, and I am excited. Yes. Y'all can do this look. It's real simple, real easy. As you can see, I did not put any color on my eyelid. All I did was highlight the brown and what's it called? Put a little gold in the tear ducts. And that's it. So then now we're going to go in with our lip color. Ooh. Okay, girl. Look at you. And so this one is cherry red. I like it. I didn't know how I was going to feel about a bright red, because I normally wear like a deep red, like a berry type of shade. I think this is real cute.